Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OHRP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 85 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 85 cents, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, what's going to make the chart, look the healthiest, make it look the most appealing going forward, staying above 85 cents would accomplish that. Now, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things. So if you're somebody that's just more interested in truly the big picture of it all, the grand scope of it all, then just keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, from the grand scope of things perspective, as long as the price can stay above that purple line, as the purple line moves itself higher and higher, then from the big scheme of it all, the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 85 cents would be ideal, but from the big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control of the trend. What about areas of resistance? Really, the key level of resistance that stands out to me is right up here at the 95 cent mark. You can see on several different occasions today, the bulls made a run up at it. I mean, yeah, earlier in the day, the price got above it, but after it fell below, you can see, try to get above it there and there, rejected a couple of times, right there, rejected once again. So 95 cents seems to be that area where the sellers are actually hanging out at. If the price can push through 95 cents, and yeah, the next overall level of resistance is where the party stopped today, up there at $1.03. But it's totally worthless to be talking about $1.03 right now and doing battle with that until the bulls can first prove themselves. And I am defining quote unquote prove themselves and quantifying that is not only breaking above 95 cents, but then starting to stay up above it. All in all, though, nice move today. Good solid volume. This one, popped up, I'm sure, many traders' radars. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.